May audition?
Para sa akin, nagustuhan ko yung kanta ko kasi naramdaman ko na talagang bakit hindi ka maalis sa isip mo.
I like that! Thank you po.
Naramdaman ko. So for that,
Sino ba yun?
thank you.
For that, tinanong ko sa...
Okay, siguro sa performance mo ngayon, siguro napatunayan ko na wala sa ganda ng boses ang kanta. Nasa choice of song.
Yellow yan ah.
From my friends. Para sa akin na, okay na yun. Better than
Ay, hindi.
kanta.
Video to.
Pero, ito kang pumili ng kanta. Pero, yun namin, na parang
Another ways tonight.
ano ba? Ang sabi ko,
Mamay ka naman po, tatanong ko po yung coach ko.
okay.
Coach, wala po yung coach ko.
Brian!
Upbeat na kanta.
Brian!
Habang nag-iisip po ang ating Star Dreamer number 1, eh, tawagin po natin Star Dreamer number 2.
Okay, number 2.
Okay?
Okay, Art, good evening, everyone. So, welcome. And now, we will have our Star Dreamer number 2 from Angono Rizal, Jose. Angono Rizal, Jose Richie Capili. Okay.
Your girl. That has been
Parang nasa Wawawi.
from this moment. You are the one right beside you. Is where I belong. From this moment on. From this moment, I have been blessed. I live on for your happiness.
We start number 2.
Say hi.
Please ha.
Lisa number 3.
My last breath from this moment.
Nasa channel 2 tayo, ABS-CBN. National TV.
Hindi naging judge na.
National TV po tayo.
I can't wait to live my life.
Mga TFC manunood. Alahan natin yan. DJ Coke. DJ Coke.
Ako pag GM pa yung nag-video ko, ang galing.
Siyempre naman ako pa. Multitasking. Diba maganda naman yung GM ko?
Ako naman yung ano niyan, yung bass up niya.
Drummer po ba to? Drummer?
Okay,
Okay,
ako personally, I liked your performance. But then, when I was looking at you dito sa little screen ko, no?
Little screen? Here's the little screen.
Madalas kasi yung paggagano ng mata mo. So, when you practice, practicein mo na i-minimize or i-avoid yung paggano ng mata mo. So, make up something, whatever mo. Medyo, lagyan ka na maraming pulbos dito. Bakit namin T-zone? Bakit screen?
kasi meron ka bang malaking ugat dito?
Yan na yung comment ko.
pag may malapit na, parang magsaway.
Job. So, sabi ko, no, the camera loves you, kaya lang yung T-zone mo talaga.
Talaga yung pansin-pansin ako, no?
Magaling yung performance mo, no? I think pwede kang mag-album talaga.
Okay.
Okay, I agree with them. Yung T-zone mo talaga. And wait.
Tatlong beses yung T-zone na ako.
One thing I've noticed, may mga
Notice?
noticed.
Eh, si Mom,
Notice.
ako yan ah. Ako yan.
Meron yung filler. Filler, yeah. Please avoid, but the choice of song, it's good.
The overall package.
Overall, you're the only one that is not good. Joke.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Capili. So we'll now proceed proceed to our...
Walang text votes.
Wait.
Let's vote.
Okay, to vote for...
Just text ano.
For Mr. Richie, please text vote space R123 and send to 5555. Okay, thank you.
Ano yan?
Yes, that is for all networks. And then for our third contestant from Binyan, Laguna.
Santa Rosa.
Binyan.
Basta-
Emily from